Welcome to the StatTree Help video module for package or library installation. To run tests on your data in Stata, you may need to install a package from a programmer's repository such as the Statistical Software Components server at Boston College. This can be accomplished with a simple command in Stata. You first need to find a package that will run the needed program within Stata for a given test. Most often, this requires a Google search. Once you have located the package in the repository, copy down the name of the package. In the Stata command box, type the command ssc install packagename at the prompt, where packagename represents the name of the package or ADO file. Hit Enter. This package adding process takes some time. Packages may also be found at other locations on the Internet. Often these sites will give you the directory address and file name for the package in their instructions. In this case, you would type the command net install directory name / package name at the prompt, where directory name / package name would be the location information provided by those instructions. Pay attention to the results pane. Here will be displayed any messages, including errors if the package cannot be installed. Your package is now in the Stata environment as a function, ready for use.